Embedvid.com pays you to share the hilarious videos that you find on YouTube and other video sites around the web. September 14th, I'm wearing a shirt for Twaiter.com. What is Twaiter? What is tweeting? What is Twitter? You should know the answer to all these questions, maybe not Twaiter. Twaiter lets you schedule tweets. It works for businesses, it works for me, it even works for people like Evan. All you have to do is sign into Twaiter with your Twitter account. I know it sounds confusing, but you don't have to sign up for anything. You just sign in with your existing Twitter information and schedule tweets. Well, what would you want to schedule? Here's some ideas. Maybe you have Follow Friday people that you think about during the week, and you want to schedule it for Friday?
That sweet band you just found out about for Music Monday, but you found it on a Thursday? Tweet it!
Maybe you're about to get on a plane. You can't post tweets on a plane. Get them ready with Twitter before you fly.
Maybe you're going on a date and you want to say thank you? Say thank you before with Twitter.
That's not a good idea. I wouldn't recommend that. Go on the date first, then schedule it for like 3 days ahead of time. Because you don't want to wait like 3 days. You don't want to be creepy like too early. You don't want to wait longer than that. You get the idea.
Weddings! Birthdays!
Let's be a little...
I might set one up for Kanye's next mistake.
And if you're Taylor Swift, you can tweet and say, hey y'all, I'm about to get up on stage to accept this award. Please don't ruin it, especially if you've been drinking Hennessy. Please just stay away from the stage.
You can tweet to my mom about her gnomes.
Maybe you want to tell everybody what you're going to have for breakfast tomorrow, but you don't want to do it 12 hours ahead of time? Set it up the night before. Right at 8 o'clock, you can say, I'm about to have toast and eggs. But you actually did it 12 hours before.
Running for political office? Tweet your acceptance speech.
Some serious, some not so serious. Use it for a business, use it for yourself. Get your Twitter updates scheduled ahead of time. It's a great service. I was using an unnamed service, tweet later, before. I'm going to switch to Twitter. And we've got 3 Clocky alarm clocks to give away today. What's a Clocky alarm clock? Let me show you. One more minute. Whoa. Time to get up. Twitter! Don't forget, just by signing up for Embedvid.com, you can win a Flip Minnow HD this month.